66 million years ago, a massive asteroid collided with Earth, ending the reign of the dinosaurs and wiping out roughly 75% of all species. The world was left in darkness as dust and debris filled the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and leading to drastic climate changes. For the dinosaurs, this was the end, but for another group of animals, it marked the beginning of an incredible journey. This is the story of how mammals rose from the ashes of extinction to become some of the most dominant and diverse life forms on Earth. In today's video, we're exploring what happened to life on Earth after the dinosaurs disappeared, how mammals survived, and the evolutionary path that led to humans. So, what exactly happened in the immediate aftermath of the asteroid impact? The Earth went through a period of drastic cooling, sometimes called an impact winter, which was triggered by the sunlight-blocking debris in the atmosphere. Plants struggled to survive, and ecosystems collapsed. For the large dinosaurs that depended on stable environments and abundant food sources, survival became impossible. But for smaller creatures, particularly small mammals, the situation was different. Mammals at the time were small, often nocturnal creatures, generally no larger than modern-day rats. They had a few key advantages that allowed them to endure the harsh conditions. First, mammals were warm-blooded, which meant they could regulate their body temperature and survive better in the cooler, unstable climate. Second, many early mammals were omnivorous, meaning they could eat a variety of foods, plants, insects, and smaller animals, which allowed them to adapt to the sudden changes in the food chain. These adaptations enabled them to survive in an environment that was hostile to many other creatures. But surviving was just the first step. As the dust settled and sunlight returned, Earth's ecosystems slowly began to recover, and the mammals that had survived started to thrive and spread. With the dinosaurs gone, the world was suddenly full of empty ecological niches, roles in ecosystems that were no longer filled. Over millions of years, mammals diversified to fill these roles. Some evolved to be herbivores, grazing on the plants that began to spread again. Others became predators, taking over the roles once filled by dinosaurs like the raptors or Tyrannosaurus rex. This period of rapid diversification is often compared to the Cambrian explosion, as it led to an incredible variety of new forms and body types within the mammalian lineage. As mammals evolved to fill new niches, they also developed traits that would allow them to become more complex and adaptable. One of these traits was an increase in brain size. Unlike reptiles, which typically have smaller brains relative to their body size, mammals began to evolve larger brains, particularly in areas related to learning, memory, and problem-solving. This gave mammals a significant advantage in terms of adapting to new environments and finding innovative ways to survive. Another major adaptation was the development of fur or hair. Fur provided insulation, helping mammals retain body heat and survive in different climates, from cold forests to temperate grasslands. This trait, along with warm-bloodedness, allowed mammals to spread across the globe and occupy a wide range of habitats. As millions of years passed, mammals continued to diversify. Some evolved to live in the water, becoming the ancestors of modern-day whales and dolphins. Others took to the air, giving rise to bats, the only mammals capable of true flight. Meanwhile, on land, mammals grew in size and evolved into various forms, from large herbivores like early elephants and rhinos, to powerful predators like early saber-toothed cats. But perhaps one of the most significant developments was the evolution of primates, a group of mammals that includes lemurs, monkeys, apes, and eventually humans. Primates first appeared around 55 million years ago, evolving from small tree-dwelling mammals. These early primates had grasping hands and feet, allowing them to climb and move through trees. They also had forward-facing eyes, which gave them depth perception and made them skilled hunters and gatherers in their forest environments. The evolution of primates marked a major milestone in the story of mammals. Primates developed larger and more complex brains, leading to greater intelligence and social behaviors. These adaptations would eventually set the stage for the evolution of hominins, the group that includes modern humans and our closest extinct relatives. But that's a story for another day. So, why is this story important? The rise of mammals after the extinction of the dinosaurs is a powerful example of life's resilience. Mass extinctions are devastating, but they also create opportunities for new forms of life to evolve and adapt. For mammals, the disappearance of the dinosaurs opened up a world of possibilities, leading to an explosion of diversity that shaped the world we know today. Without this event, mammals might never have had the chance to evolve into the complex, intelligent species we see now, including ourselves. The world would look entirely different, and the path of evolution would have taken a very different course. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through Earth's history, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the past and present of our incredible planet. And don't forget to check out our quiz shorts to test your knowledge on evolution and Earth's history. See you in the next video.